Many users are contemplating their future on social media after major changes in leadership and policy. With Elon Musk now co leading the Department of Government Efficiency, tensions are rising on the platform Twitter. For many, the final straw came when celebrities publicly announced their departure from Elon Musk's newly branded platform. If you are considering leaving Twitter for good, follow these straightforward steps to delete your account permanently. Beginning the process by deactivating your account, this action preserves your data while removing your public profile. After deactivation, you have a 30-day grace period to change your mind and reactivate your account easily. To finally delete your account, simply wait for the 30 days to lapse, after which it will be permanently removed. If you if you would like to keep a record of your posts, don't forget to download your account data beforehand. While you cannot erase all tweets at once, there are third-party services that can assist with bulk deletions. For those looking to fine-tune their message, deleting individual tweets is also an option. Just follow these simple steps.